Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Tooshka is probably one of the most versatile and innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in years, promising to revolutionize the way you prepare meals with its unique design and multifunctional capabilities. If you're tired of cluttered countertops and endless cooking steps, this device might just be the solution you've been searching for, offering a streamlined approach to everything from chopping and blending to sautéing and steaming, all within a single, sleek unit that's as easy to use as it is to clean. Number 5. Osmo Genius Starter Kit for iPad. Introducing the Osmo Genius Starter Kit, a magical way to bring learning to life for your child. It combines physical game pieces with an iPad for an interactive and engaging experience. This kit includes 5 award-winning games designed to teach essential skills. From math and spelling to creativity and problem solving, there's something for every curious mind. Watch as your child manipulates physical puzzle pieces and drawing tools, with Osmo magically bringing their actions to life on the screen. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay, making learning accessible anywhere. Through fun challenges, children will develop critical thinking, visual problem solving, and creativity. They'll master math concepts, improve spelling, and even learn drawing and physics principles. The games adapt to your child's skill level, from beginner to expert, ensuring they are always challenged and supported. It's a toy that grows with them, fostering a lifelong love of learning. The kit includes the Osmo base, reflector, and all the game pieces for Tangram, numbers, words, Newton, and masterpiece. Just add your compatible iPad and let the learning adventures begin. What we like? This is a magical learning experience for kids. It brings digital games to life with physical pieces, making learning engaging and fun. If you're looking for a way to make education screen time productive and interactive, this is a fantastic choice for children aged 6 to 10. What people say. Numbers, such a great game for math skills. There's a whole lot of basic math work, adding, subtracting, and when it got to multiplying and the numbers got a little higher, we had to stop. Tangram, this one is a winner. My kid had so much fun playing this game, it's almost her favorite. It comes with the tandem pieces in different shapes and colors and you have to put them together to create a figure. The app will help and guide you all the way, which is so fun and helpful. It was easier to set up than I expected, which is a huge deal when you have an excited kid wanting to play with it. You do need to use your phone in addition to the device you're using to play it. It sends codes to your email that you need to enter. I'm not super tech savvy but had it ready to play in under 10 minutes. I bought it with the hopes of making her tablet time more productive without her realizing it, and this accomplished that. Also purchased the pizza game and monster game. The biggest plus was that it actually works. I expected to have the game pieces lined up perfectly or for it to struggle to recognize the piece placement, but nope. It immediately identifies the game pieces and creates a corresponding image on her tablet screen. Number 4. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. Unlock intense moisture with our Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. It provides up to 72 hours of continuous hydration, leaving your skin feeling replenished and revitalized. Discover a more youthful appearance. This cream works to visibly plump and smooth your skin, reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Indulge in its incredibly light, cloud-like texture. It absorbs quickly without any greasy residue, making it perfect for daily use. Enjoy the benefits without irritation. This moisturizer is completely fragrance-free, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Quench your skin's thirst with this deeply hydrating formula. It delivers essential moisture to your face, promoting a healthy and radiant complexion. Harness the power of hyaluronic acid for ultimate hydration. It draws moisture into the skin, ensuring it stays supple and dewy all day long. What we like? Experience ultimate skin hydration with this luxurious cream. Its advanced formula quenches thirsty skin, leaving it plump and youthful. If you desire long-lasting moisture without any added fragrance, this is perfect for achieving a dewy, revitalized complexion. What people say. Really light and comfortable and just melts right into your skin very quickly. By the time I finish rubbing over my face, it's all absorbed and I can start my makeup. Zero greasiness or heaviness. Truly cloud-like texture and hydrates well. This cream is amazingly lightweight and feels like a drink of water to my face. I absolutely love it above the L'Oreal water-based line plumping cream I used to use. My face stays hydrated all day in the winter, not needing to reapply. No need with this lotion. Highly recommend it. Number 3. UpwardBaby LED Weaning Supplies. Introducing the UpwardBaby LED Weaning Supplies, designed to make mealtime a breeze for your little one. This all-in-one set is perfect for babies starting their feeding journey. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, our feeding set is BPA-free and safe for your baby. You can trust that our products are made with your child's well-being in mind. Cleaning up after meals is simple. Our silicone plates, bowls, and spoons are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and unbreakable, saving you time and hassle. Specifically designed for tiny hands and mouths, our utensils are perfect for infants learning to eat solid foods. They offer a great alternative to traditional plastic feeding sets. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This modern silicone feeding set in neutral tones is ideal for baby showers, newborns, or any occasion. It's a gift any new parent will appreciate. What we like? Make mealtime easier and safer for your little one. This all-in-one set is designed for baby-led weaning, featuring suction to prevent spills and made from safe, durable silicone. If you're a new parent looking for practical, easy-to-clean feeding essentials, this set is an ideal baby registry must-have. What people say. The spoons are great for teething and self-feeding. I love that it's all safe materials, plus the spoons are great for teething and self-feeding. The suction plates from UpwardBaby have become an indispensable part of our mealtime routine. Their strong suction keeps the plate firmly in place, preventing any spills or accidental messes. Number 2. Radio Flyer Stroller Tricycle, Easy Fold 4-in-1. This versatile ride-on offers 4 stages of fun, encouraging independent riding as your child grows and explores the world around them. Easily transform it from an infant trike to a classic tricycle. The adjustable seat ensures it will be a favorite for years to come. With its unique one-step folding mechanism, it collapses in seconds. This makes storage compact and convenient, fitting almost anywhere. This multifaceted toy is perfect for children from 9 months up to 5 years old. It has a maximum weight capacity of 50 pounds. Your purchase includes the tricycle with a push handle, a removable tray with a cup holder, a sun-blocking canopy, a footrest, and the push handle. What we like? This versatile ride-on toy grows with your child from infant to toddler. It offers multiple stages of use, from a parent-controlled stroller to a classic tricycle. If you need a long-lasting, adaptable, and easy-to-store option for your child's active adventures, this is an excellent investment. What people say. Again, very pleased with the quality, ease of assembly, and packaging. I love how there are different stages so it grows with your baby. Assembly was easy. I was mind-blown at how easy it is. The wheels have some rubber on them for better traction. Adult steering is such a breeze. It's easy to maneuver around tight corners. Canopy is lovely, I like that I can move it wherever I please. Number 1. Wooden Toy Workbench with Tools Set. Discover a world of building and imagination with this engaging wooden toy workbench. It's packed with everything your child needs to get started on their creative projects. Watch as they develop essential skills like motor coordination and problem solving. This hands-on experience helps them learn to use tools and assemble parts with confidence. Crafted from high-quality beech wood and finished with child-safe paints, this workbench is built to last. Its smooth edges and non-toxic materials ensure hours of safe playtime. Keep playtime tidy with the convenient storage compartment. All the tools and accessories can be neatly stored away, making cleanup a breeze. Looking for a gift that inspires? This toy workbench is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. It's a present that grows with your child and provides endless fun. With a variety of tools, screws, nuts, and gears, the possibilities are endless. Let their imagination run wild as they build and create their own unique projects. What we like? Inspire your child's creativity and problem-solving skills with this classic wooden workbench. It comes with a variety of tools and parts for endless building possibilities. If you're seeking a safe, durable, and engaging toy that promotes hands-on learning and imaginative play for children aged 3 and up, this is a perfect gift. What people say. The little tools are adorable. Everyone loved the magnetic attachment of the different screwdriver heads. The hardwood is very nice, the finish is smooth and there are no sharp edges. It looks just like the photos, adorable and sturdy. Great quality. Designed to help develop coordination skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.